It's so annoying that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while. Over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there both side by side, I bet that oh Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist?
Aku lupa vlog dari tadi itu aku sibuk foto, sekarang udah mau balikan, ini panas banget. This is how it looks. Kayak apa namanya mercusuar, rame sih, tapi ini panas banget. Tapi overall cantik.
All the little things you
524. Sini aku ada donat. Nah, tadi donatnya dari Famoso yang di mercusuar tadi. Tidak, donat 3. Terus ini ada lagi. Tapi kayak oh my god, banyak. Oke. Kayak tadi di mobil tuh goyang kan. Jadi kayak wow, oke. Ini tuh kayaknya matcha deh. Terus ini enggak tahu. Terus ini tiramisu Oreo, red velvet. Aku tadi mau kopi tapi banyak. Oke, agak banyak. Ini kayak cream cheese. Namanya kayak cream cheese gitu. Nasi goreng, samcan. Oh, ini babi loh. Ini tuh iga sapi, ini juga iga sapi. Ini tuh iga sapi, ini kambing. Terus ini nasi goreng. Nasi goreng ini kayak ini babi, nasi goreng babi.
Nasi goreng samcang.
Terus sound effect gimana?
Cangin aja. Oh gila.
If you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you?
Hi Cindy.
The little things you do. Can I resist you? Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do everything I can.
Take a look into the mirror, following your heart, put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go, now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it.
macet banget.
You deserve it now. Hey.
Pick up the phone, little darling, I got a bit to say. I'm speaking from the heart.
Kita lagi ngantri untuk sushi hero. Si Cindy itu dan hari ini aku dari nonton Super Mario Bros. That was seru banget guys, kayak 10 dari 10. Cuman sekarang agak ngantuk karena sekarang udah jam 9.
Pray it doesn't ricochet. I know your God is up. Distance makes it hard enough. I hope that I can ask for you to listen, man. This part is tough. I sent a message and maybe you didn't get it yet. When you have a second, you should check it. Swear you won't regret it. I'm stepping out of a meeting. A big amount's where it's leading. I'll make you proud in proceedings. We'll hit the town in the evening, darling. And then it's time for us to celebrate.
Hey, kita hang out setelah 1 semester, iya nggak sih?
Nggak sampai sih.
Ya dia 1 semester, salah 1 semester. Dia di IKEA, kita di IKEA. Mereka lagi lihat ini. Gak kelihatan gak sih? Ya gak kelihatan.
Some vino, we know it's celebrate. Hello, mate. Enjoy the ride and spend for something real nice. Cause every dream I've ever had, you helped me realize. No matter how much of a stretch, I guess it feels like.
Oh ya.
Kamu tahu kan orang paling
Gak bisa. Terus aku nih apa? Restorannya di mana? Itu kan kita muter deh. Iya kayak muter deh.
Kalau chef berarti yang 12 aja dong.
Yang 12.
Berarti 2. Kok sendiri? Serem banget.
Dia lagi mikir nih cara memakai.
Iya nih,
Yeay. Bisa nggak?
No, nggak bisa.
Aku tahan, nggak bisa ya? Oke deh.
Would you make it feel right? You believed it could be real beyond the surface. In your eyes, I saw that I was worth it. Perfect.
Take a look into
Jadi kayak Twitternya gitu.
Makasih mas. Makasih mas. Makasih mas Rai. Widih. Meatball, fish and chip, meatball, soup. Dadah. Rasanya sama.
Put your silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now.
And may I say that I never take for granted the lady that I make my plans with daily. Maybe one day shapes the planet with no way to even say it in my native language. Sharing everything I feel for you, I gotta give the praises.
Kakak Banda. Wih. Kamu giginya gimana kok?
You and I couldn't be any closer.
Oke.
Embarrassing.
Pencet nggak?
Oh ada angkanya, aku warungnya deh. Next.
Angka apa? Oh, stepnya.
Iya, makanya kamu pas mau bilang pencet, aku baru kayak oh iya.
Like a bean of heavy smoker. When we get married, we will be ready for what the world will bring. We're Birmingham if they had buddied up. Lawrence and LaRousse, it was a cruise, so much to do, so now we run amok. Your laser focus shapes my ruthless execution. My elocution takes.
Itu yang lebih gede ya sana ya? Bayi ya?
Thought to resolution now. Never wanting you, holding back from a benefit, and anyone supporting you will assent with the sentiment. I'm with you every step of the way. Blessings and curses through my eyes every second. You're worth it. Perfect.